Once again, Robin from City Sewing in New York, www.citysewing.com. The sewing doctor is here again. Hi, I have a Creative Performance FAF machine, a great machine. Customer having an issue when this machine, she was working on it, and then after 4 minutes and 5 minutes, the machine will stop, just shut down and don't work anymore. Turn it on again, wait for 5 minutes, the machine will shut down and don't work anymore. But the doctor is here. Got it fixed already. A sensor bad, a back sensor inside the motor here. I open up the motor. I, check the sensor on it. That was it. It has a damaged sensor inside the motor here. It's hard also to replace. These machines, when it's a problem that it's easy for you guys to check it, I'll definitely explain you how to do that. But this is something you have to bring it into a shop. You can't do it yourself. It's not something that you could just put it together and fix it, So the sensor was bad. I replaced the sensor. I have to order direct from FAF. I installed it now. The machine is up and running correctly, 100%. I'm gonna put all the covers back together now. I'm gonna show you how the machine looks great, working perfectly fine, making nice stitches and everything. I will show you all the steps. But like I said, these kind of issues, you need to bring it in. Small little issues, timing, tension settings and stuff like that is easy to fix. I'll explain you. I will teach you how to do it. I want you to learn how to do it. But with this, you can't do that type of work. It's a very complicated. You need to have the sensors, original sensor from FAF. It's hard to to get stuff if you're not a dealer. So but the machine is working 100%. I already took the whole thing apart. Open it up. It's a FAF machine. This is Creative Performance. Great, excellent machine, well made. A lot of very hard material in here. Very strong machine, very good machine. And I will, like I said, there was a sensor on the back of the screen back here, so I was able to get that part from FAF, change it for them. And this machine should be up and running correctly. Right now it's been on now since about an hour and a half now. I come in all the time and do some testing on it. Just to make sure that everything is working fine. It says that there's no bobbing on there, of course, but machine is not turning off and it's not, it's working fine. So I'm just gonna leave it on for another hour just to make sure that everything is good. But I don't think that's any more issues. Machine now, I just finished it up, making some samples just to check everything's working beautifully. Machine has been on for almost 2 hours now, so it means that that part that I replaced on it, that sensor, is working perfectly fine. So everything is good now. There you go, beautiful stitch. Again, thank you for watching. Robin from City Sewing Machine in New York, www.citysewing.com. Machine is ready. This is a FAF machine. It makes a lot of beautiful stitches. Like I said before, it had a damaged electronic sensor, so it's not something easy for you guys to do. Okay, so it needs to come into the shop. Once it's here, we get it done for you 100%. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.